just got the diff out. We took off the exhaust. We're probably gonna replace that with just straight pipe. And Vit is finishing up with the diff, about ready to drop it out, and then we're gonna clean it up and weld it. Put a jack under it. And drop. Gonna leak out the front.
Is it? No, it won't.
Maybe not.
It's got the yoke. Whatever. I just gotta pull it forward now.
You want me to do that?
That's weird.
You have to push it forward because those two nuts at the top, or bolt holes at the top, have to slide out of the bushings. So you gotta push the diff forward.
I feel like this drive shaft's in the way. Alright.
He forgot to take a nut out of there, so I'm gonna try this again. Here. Look at that, it comes right out. Uh-oh.
What's going on? Axle?
Yeah, just drop it all the way down, shake it around.
Oh, the axles have like a little
Groove in them.
Yeah, it's kind of silly. And then this drive shaft is in the way. Dang, why you gotta do me like that? That's how you crush a finger.
We got her out.
Чё, блин, больше нечего делать?
Put some degreaser on it. Spray it with some water now. Now we have to drain it and burn the insides off. You'll see what I mean.
Embedded. Yeah, these bolts are nice and clean. Look at that. No rust. I mean, it's probably been leaking, so it's been...
Draining the diff. Oh, you definitely needed to change that.
That's bad.
Just pour it all out.
Well, it's actually, look at it, it's not that dirty, right?
Well, let's see.
It's actually still got translucency. It's just thick. But yeah, I guess this would be the open diff because they said that if it was a VLSD, it would have some like orange sticker on the side. And then when we twist it, it seems like an open diff. Okay.
We should have tested it first.
Well, we tested it earlier and it was just doing a one-legged dog thing. Just the one wheel was spinning, so I mean VLSD or open diff, it's got to get welded regardless because you can't do it on the VLSD. It'll be so much easier to work on it with this.
Sprayed some degreaser. Gross.
What are we about to do?
Gonna weld up the differential in the four corners. Oh show you this corner right there, this corner right here, this corner right here, that one right there. Then we're gonna flip it over and do it again.
Get the jizz of it. Alright.
Just gotta turn her all the way up.
I think we could just leave that and it'll be good.
I think so too.
I mean, I don't see why not.
And let the welder cool off.
Yeah, that's a fat dab of weld. Look at all this. There's so much metal in there. I'm gonna have to wash it again.
And then we're gonna slap the cover back on, put some RTV, and put it in the car.
I was thinking power wash it.
I know.
Or at least spray it down with a brake cleaner. Just to get all the like metal shavings to float out of there.
That's what I would do. Yeah, lube her up.
Oh, it's spinning a lot faster now. You don't want to put too much in there. Or do you?
That's not supposed to spin. Okay. So we got the differential back in there.
Yep.
Now we're gonna drop the car down, and if we can get it to run, we're gonna go test it.
Yes.
Bro, is your handbrake on?
No, it won't rev past 2. I think it's still in like limp mode or whatever.
Wait, so you can't get into gear?
Oh, I was just revving it.
Oh,
I should probably do that. That's embarrassing. No.
Oh my gosh. The starter is not working.
Let me get the pry bar. So we got the diff on, it's all welded up.
Since last time, we also put some new front tires on. Really grippy summer tires. Both front tires are new. Balanced. Last time they were flat. I don't know if you saw it earlier in the video, but we balanced them up. You can hear the diff chirping. Screw it. Yeah, looks like it works.
Nice.
Hey.
Got it all warmed up for you.
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna go try to do some donuts in this 240.
Looking good so far. Welded diff.
Trying to do second gear, but there's no power for second gear.
Yeah, I mean, what do you expect? Maybe with some different wheels on it.
Yeah, I'm gonna toss some more figure eights quick.
Alright, try to do it the opposite way. Like, counterclockwise. Oh no, what's it leaking? It's just coolant. Woo! Wish the camera would focus.
Alright.
Yeah, we gotta chill out. I think the police are gonna get called. But
What's that?
looks like coolant.
It's not overheating yet though.
That's good. I guess we'll find out if it overheats. But yeah, dude, this is so sick.
You should send it. Do it one more time quick, and then we gotta go.
Alright. Wonder what time is it?
Ah, looks like it's stalled. Oh no, it didn't. Woo! Alright, I think that concludes this episode. Welded diff definitely does its job. Looks like there's a lot of smoke, vapor, I don't know, water.
It kept it cool, like it was staying in the middle, but I don't know what's going on here.
Yeah, who knows if your gauge is even working. New front tires.
Yeah, there's no pressure. It's got to be a shot water pump.
Next thing is to pull this front end. As you can see, it's totally tweaked.
Yeah, that's gonna go in the frame.
Get that pulled, put a new bumper, headlights, hood, and this thing's ready to shred. Alright.
Final words?
That
was pretty sick.
It's pretty sick.
Subscribe if you want to see more of this thing, and then let us know what you think of it down in the comments.
Yeah, tell us what we should do to it. What should we do to this car? Alright, peace.
Peace.